Hi, this is our project Workai, a voice-based code editor assistant. It helps you automate typing repetitive and mundane part of the code and lets you focus on the logic of the application that you're building. It is completely on the web, so there is nothing to be installed or to be set up. For now, our platform only supports the Python language, and hence you can get any help related to Python code. This web editor is very customizable. You can adjust the font size, tab size, some options like show gutter and show print margin, among many other things, which also includes the key binding mode like Sublime, Emacs, Vim, and VS Code. You also get the code editor functionalities like Control F for searching a particular word, and so. The code area you are able to see right now is your work environment, and you can save this after you're done editing. To use the voice functionality, click on the Start Recording button and give your prompt. This prompt will be sent to bit.ai for intent and entity extraction, which will again be processed at the backend for giving the final output to the user. Now let me show you a demo of how this works. Sort the elements in ascending order. You can see we get the output. You can easily copy this code and paste it in the work environment, which can later be saved to a file or copied to your production environment. You can also clear cache among upcoming features. The future plans for this project includes broadening the support languages and use cases they can handle. Now let me show you a few more examples. Largest number in the list elements. So you get the correct output. Max element is equals to max of elements, which is the right way to do it in Python. Let me show you one last example. Total number of values in list elements. This is also the right answer, and this can really help the developer speed in the process of writing his code. We hope this product reaches a lot of people. This was our project for the Facebook AI Hackathon. Thank you.